Types of environment. Mainly three types. First, physical environment. Second, biological environment. Third, socio-cultural environment. Look at this flow chart. Environment divided into three types: physical, biological, cultural. Physical environment classified into lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Biological environment divided into flora, fauna, microbe. Cultural environment classified as social, political, economical. Environment, their classification, more detail about. Look at this flow chart. Abiotic components, non-living. Biotic components, living. Abiotic classified into lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Lithosphere divided into igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Hydrosphere classified into surface water, groundwater, including subsurface water. Surface water divided into saline water, fresh water. Atmosphere, there are four classifications: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Thermosphere divided into ionosphere and exosphere. Biotic components are living. Biosphere classified into plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Detail going on. First, physical environment. It is also known as abiotic environment and natural environment. The meaning of abiotic or physical is non-living, like land, water, air, and conditions. Atmosphere, which constitutes of soil. Also includes the climatic factors such as sunbeams, rain water, precipitation, moisture, pressure, and wind speed. It has been divided into A. Atmosphere. The thick gases cover of air surrounding. The earth is called atmosphere. The composition of the atmosphere is given in table. Components of the atmosphere: constituent, volume in percentage. Nitrogen 78.1%, oxygen 20.9%, water vapor 0.1 to 5%, argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide 0.03 percentage. Trace constituents balance. The trace constituents including helium, neon, krypton, xenon, SO2, NO2, ammonia, ozone, and carbon monoxide, etc. Structure of atmosphere. Look at this graph. Y-axis kilometers height, x-axis temperature at degree Celsius. Troposphere around within 11 kilometers, stratosphere 11 to 50 kilometers, then mesosphere 50 to 85 kilometers, then thermosphere, which is broadly classified into lower atmosphere, middle atmosphere, and upper atmosphere. Look at this table. Major spheres of atmosphere. Sphere, altitude range kilometer, temperature range degree Celsius. Remark. Thermosphere 0 to 11, 20 to 56, minus 56 degree temperature. Remark. Presence of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, vapor, existence of clouds. Second, stratosphere 11 to 50 kilometers, minus 56 degree to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Presence of ozone, best site for aeroplanes. 3. Mesosphere 50 to 85 kilometers, minus 2 degrees Celsius to minus 92 degree Celsius. Oxygen plus nitric oxide, coldest region. 4. Ionosphere 85 to 500 kilometers, minus 92 to 1200 degree Celsius. Oxygen plus nitric oxide. 5. Exosphere 500 kilometers to infinite, more than 1200 degrees Celsius. Less air and conditions, hydrogen in ionized state. Notes that oxygen plus means oxygen atom with positive charge. Nitric oxide plus means nitric oxide molecule with positive charge. Detail going on. First, troposphere. It is the layer of air nearest to the ground. Temperature decreases with height. The average temperature drop from 50 degrees Celsius at sea level to minus 56.5 degrees Celsius at 11 kilometers above sea level. It contains 70% of the atmosphere's mass. Second, stratosphere. It is the layer of air above the troposphere where temperature increases with height. The average temperature rises to minus 2.5 degrees Celsius at 50 kilometers above sea level. Ozone is found in higher concentrations between 20 and 30 kilometers above the surface. Hence, sometimes this layer is referred to as the ozone layer. Look at this. Ozone layer protects it from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Look at this. This is a place in dots which is in stratosphere, in between troposphere and mesosphere. 3. Mesosphere. It is the layer of air above the stratosphere where temperature decreases with height. The average temperature decreases to minus 90 degrees Celsius at 90 kilometers. This is coldest layer of the atmosphere. Mesopause is the top of the mesosphere, which is a transition layer between mesosphere and thermosphere. 4. Thermosphere. It is the layer of air above the mesosphere. Temperature in the thermosphere increase with increasing height, but there are not many molecules in this layer. The air becomes less and less dense as we reach space. B. Hydrosphere. This comprises all water resources, both surface and groundwater. The world's water is found in oceans and seas, lakes and reservoirs, rivers and streams, glaciers and snow caps in the polar regions, in addition to groundwater below the land areas. Distribution of water. Look at this table. Ocean and seas, 96 to 97%. Glaciers and polar ice caps, 2 to 3%. Fresh water, less than 1%. Look at this hydro. C. Lithosphere. The upper layer of the Earth's crust is called lithosphere. It is made up of soil, minerals, rock, and other organic as well as inorganic matter. Lithosphere covers the coast of the earth and is extended up to 100 kilometers. Look at this, different types of rocks of Earth's crust. Rocks, igneous rock formation, cooling of hot magma. Examples: granite, basalite. Second, sedimentary rocks, disintegration by physical and chemical weathering, transportation and deposition. Examples: limestone, sandstone, shale. 3. Metamorphic rock, changing the form of existing rock by temperature and pressure. Example: marble, quartzite, calcite, etc. Importance of physical environment. To make house for living, residential space, the land area is included in physical environment. So it is responsible for the residential, for living being. The abiotic environment like soil, water and air are the necessary nutrients element provided for the living beings. All living beings are surrounded by atmosphere. It is the combination of different types of gases. The living beings takes oxygen and other gases from the atmosphere. The abiotic environment also controls the climatic factors like weather. The soil, which is responsible for the works and food crops for the living beings. It also provides different types of minerals which are very necessary for growth of life. Clean water is one of the most necessary things for living beings. It used to promote health. Second, biotic environment, detail going on. It is also known as biological environment and organic environment. The biotic or biological environment is responsible for the living beings. Biological environment is the environment which involves the living parts of the earth. Components of biological environments: producers, that is autotrophs, example plants, converts the energy from photosynthesis, the transfer of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide into energy, or other such sources such as hydrothermal vents into food. Consumers, that is heterotrophs, example animals, depends upon producers, occasionally other consumers for food. Next component, decomposers, that is detritivores. Example, fungi and bacteria break down chemical from producers and consumers, usually dead, into simpler form which can be reused. Then types of biotic environment. First, flora. Second, fauna. Third, microbes. Detail going on. First, flora. Flora is the plant life occurring in a particular region or time, generally the naturally occurring or indigenous native plant life. Look at this plant. Look at this picture. Second, fauna. It is also the animal life of any particular region or time. Look at these animals. Importance of flora and fauna. The importance of flora and fauna on the land or in the oceans makes our life possible. Plants are the oxygen producing and carbon dioxide absorbing natural apparatus without which life would not be possible. Besides, the plants are essential resource for human well-being. The Amazon rainforest not only supply oxygen but are the source of nourishment for the region. The importance of flora and fauna is linked with the very air we breathe and the food we eat. The flora produces important the medicines and the water absolutely necessary for life to exist would not be if flora and fauna are things in an ecosystem. Second, microbe. A microbe or microscopic organism. It is a living thing that is too small to be seen with the naked eye. We need to use a microscope to see them. Types of microbe: bacteria, archaea, fungi, protists, iris, microscopic animals. Look at this. Some of the microbes including E. coli, size 3 into 6.6 μm. only we can see in microscope. Other microscopic or microbes, HIV, virus. Importance of biotic environment. There is a concept which is necessary to understand. The living beings are highly dependent to each other. For example, humans are highly dependent upon plants and trees for food and oxygen, and plants and trees are also dependent upon humans and animals because of CO2. It has been affect and influence health, status, causes diseases. 3. Socio or cultural environment. The social or cultural environment means the environment which is created by the man through his different social and cultural activities and thinking. Social environment including familial, religious, educational, economical, occupational, culture, and lifestyle of the human beings, etc. The historical, cultural, political, moral, economic aspects of human life constitute to the social or cultural environment. Importance of social or cultural environment. Culture involves the religion of the human, relations with each others, etc. In a society, there involve different types of people. They have different religion, different thinking, which has culture of its own and possess people having their own lifestyle. The social or cultural environment affects the social culture of human beings, and hence it has been great importance. The development of a child is highly depends upon culture and society. It has been health status of people. Thank you. Have a nice day.